guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tuba and today's video is all about gaining weight. In my last video, I talked about the reasons why you're not able to gain weight or why you're underweight. So if you haven't checked that out, then please watch that video because it will help you to understand more clearly. The link to that video will be in the description box below, on the card above, and also at the end of this video. Now, if you want to gain weight, it is very important to do it right. Because you can gain weight by binging on all these junk foods, sodas and all those fried, fatty and sugary food items, but that's not how you want to do it. Because by doing so, you can gain weight but not muscle mass and only unhealthy fat, and basically in all the wrong areas like your belly fat. And this can also increase the risk of several health problems like diabetes, cholesterol and heart disease and many more. And that's not what you want, right? So in today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to gain weight. I'm gonna give you some really important, effective and useful tips to weight gain without ruining your health at the same time. आज की वीडियो में आपको बताऊंगी कि आप अपना वजन कैसे बढ़ा सकते हैं एक हेल्दी तरीके से, थोड़ी सी लाइफस्टाइल और डाइट में चेंजेस लाकर. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. सो गाइस, आज की वीडियो में बेसिकली 3 चीज़ों के बारे में बात करूंगी. पहला, आपके डाइट के बारे में कि आपको क्या चेंजेस लाना है अपने खाने और खाने के तरीकों में. दूसरा, एक्सरसाइज या वर्कआउट के बारे में. और तीसरा, आपके लाइफस्टाइल में आपको किन किन चीज़ों पे ध्यान देना है उसके बारे में. सो फर्स्ट, आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू अबाउट द चेंजेस यू कैन ब्रिंग अबाउट इन योर डाइट. As it is already known to everyone that to increase weight, you need to increase your daily caloric intake. I'm not going to go into details on how to calculate your calories, but rather I'm going to talk about a little more practical stuff. But if you want me to do a video on that, then please tell me in the comment section below. In today's video, I'm going to tell you what dietary modification you need to make to reach that extended calorie requirement, and also what nutrients you should incorporate in your diet to gain weight in a more healthy way. First, let's talk about nutrients. So there are some essential nutrients that all of us need to maintain a healthy body. These are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Now, जो सबसे पहले सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ जो वेट गेन करने में हमें ध्यान रखनी है वो है प्रोटीन. प्रोटीन के बहुत सारे फंक्शंस होते हैं बॉडी में. सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट फंक्शन होता है उसका मसल बढ़ाने में हेल्प करता है. Protein is known as a body building nutrients. Now ideally you should consume 1.2 to 1.5 grams of protein per kg body weight along with exercising, which I'm going to talk about later, to gain weight. But for now, let's leave the numbers aside. The good sources of protein are soya, paneer, milk, yogurt, cheese, beans and lentils, mushrooms, tofu, pumpkin seed is a very good source of protein. And for non-vegetarians, you have an additional source of egg, chicken, fish and red meats. तो आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि आप 2 से 3 सोर्सेज ऑफ प्रोटीन अपने खाने में, हर खाने में इंक्लूड करें. जैसे कि अगर आप चावल खा रहे हैं तो साथ में दाल खा रहे हैं, और आपने दही ऐड कर लिया है, 2 से 3 चिकन के पीसेज ऐड कर लिए हैं, या पनीर ऐड कर लिया है, या सोया ऐड कर लिया है. So it is very important to include a good quantity of protein in every meal. दूसरी सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट न्यूट्रिएंट है कार्बोहाइड्रेट. हमारे टोटल कैलोरीज में सबसे ज़्यादा कैलोरी जिस न्यूट्रिएंट से पूरी होती है वो है कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स. द मोस्ट ऑफ द कैलोरी, दैट इज 60% ऑफ आवर टोटल कैलोरी दैट वी कंज्यूम थ्रू कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स. So as we increase the calorie intake, we have to increase the carbohydrate intake. आप दिन भर में 4 से 5 मील खाते हैं तो आपको हर मील में एक बिग पोर्शन में कार्बोहाइड्रेट इंक्लूड करना है. जैसे कि एक बिग बाउल ऑफ राइस, या 3 से 4 चपाती, या मल्टीग्रेन ब्रेड, या फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स एंड स्वीट पोटैटो जिसको शकरकंद भी कहते हैं, और ओट्स. बट यू हैव टू कंज्यूम अ बिग पोर्शन ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट, बी इट सिंपल और कॉम्प्लेक्स कार्बोहाइड्रेट. दैट डज नॉट मैटर फॉर वेट गेन, बट you have to avoid processed food and sugar. Don't consume too much sugar. Next is fat. I know most of you are afraid to use fat in your diet because you think that you'll get a belly fat or flabby arms or basically fat in all the wrong areas, but that's not true. Fat is one of the most important nutrients and plays a major role in gaining weight, but you have to learn to use it right, and also the right kind of fat. Fat is the most कैलोरिक डेंस न्यूट्रिएंट. आपको वेट गेन करना है और उसके लिए आपको अपना कैलोरीज बढ़ाना है, लेकिन बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं जो कहते हैं कि हम इतना खा ही नहीं पाते और हमारा कैलोरीज तो पूरा हो ही नहीं पाता है. तो that's where fat helps. You can just add a small teaspoon of ghee or coconut oil or olive oil or rice bran oil or a little bit of butter, peanut butter, egg yolks or nuts in your diet, and you can easily reach your caloric mark. But remember not to go overboard. तो ये हो गया न्यूट्रिएंट्स के बारे में. अब हम बात करेंगे आपके फीडिंग हैबिट या आपके खाने के तरीकों के बारे में. जो लोग वेट गेन करना चाहते हैं उनको हमेशा ये एडवाइस मिलता है कि हर 2 से 3 घंटे पे खाओ, बट द प्रॉब्लम इज कि उतने शॉर्ट इंटरवल पे उनको भूख ही नहीं लगती है और वो उतना कंज्यूम नहीं कर पाते हैं. Because a person who is thin have a hard time consuming too much food, and most of them have a really low appetite. So what to do in such conditions? For someone who is trying to gain weight, you have to go a little overboard with food. Try to consume 4 to 5 meals per day, which includes 3 large meals and at least 2 small meals. You have to gradually increase your diet and later your body will adapt to it. आपको धीरे धीरे अपना डाइट बढ़ाना है. स्टार्टिंग के कुछ दिनों में आपको थोड़ी सी अनईजी से फील होगा, आपको शायद आपकी बॉडी उसको एडजस्ट करने में उतना टाइम लगे, बट धीरे धीरे आपकी बॉडी जैसे एडजस्ट करेगी यू विल फील बेटर, एंड वंस यू विल स्टार्ट टू गेन वेट, जैसे आपका वेट बढ़ना शुरू होगा आपका एपेटाइट भी वैसे ही बढ़ेगा. द सेकेंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज टू मेक योर मील न्यूट्रिशनली डेंस. You have to increase your calories and you cannot consume that much. So whatever you are eating, you have to increase your calories in that. So you can do it by adding a little bit of fat, which I talked about earlier, and also consume smoothies or shakes instead of plain milk. You can add 2 bananas or some almonds or dry fruits or a few dates or peanut butter to your milk. You can add a slice of cheese in your sandwich or a little bit of ghee in your roti and dal. आप ये सब करके अपने खाने को और healthy और nutritionally और caloric rich बना सकते हैं. The last thing related to diet and food that I want to draw your attention to is, of course, water. I stress on water in almost all of my video because it is very important and it is the essence of life. Don't forget to consume 2 to 3 liters of water every day, and it will flush all the toxins out of the body, which will make your body and mind healthy, and you will feel fresh, and it will help to eat better and feel better. Now moving on to exercises, you guys. It is very, very important to get into the habit of exercising or working out if you want to gain weight. I know many people have this misunderstanding that अगर वेट बढ़ाना है तो एक्सरसाइज करने की क्या ज़रूरत है, एक्सरसाइज करने से तो वेट कम हो जाता है, but that's not true. There are certain type of exercise that help you to gain weight and especially increase muscle mass, and that is weight training. You can do body weight training where you use your own body weight, or you can do weight training by lifting weights or using dumbbells. So what happens when you lift weight is your muscles tear and starts to repair again, and in the entire process you start to build more muscles and you start to gain more weight and your muscle mass increases, which is eventually your goal, right? Start doing any form of weight training, no matter if you're a girl or a boy, because एक misconception ये भी है कि अगर लड़की हो तो weight training नहीं करना चाहिए, अरे वजन मत उठाओ, which is basically rubbish. Of course there will be a difference in the amount of weight because of obvious reasons, but get yourself into any form of weight training. If you're someone who's starting, start gradually with less amount of weight. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Don't go and lift 10 kgs on the first day and get yourself injured, but rather start slowly and gradually and then increase your weight once your body is adapted to that. Lastly, I'm going to focus on some lifestyle factors which plays an important role in your weight gain journey. It is sleep and stress. It is very important to get 7 to 8 hours of good sound sleep, and this will help you to keep your body and mind healthy, and you will not feel tired and irritated all the time. And lastly, stress. A healthy mind leads to a healthy body. So try to avoid too much stress and keep your mind and body calm, and this will help you dramatically in your weight gain journey. And that's it for the video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up and leave your thoughts in the comment section below, and let me know what other videos you want me to do. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon next to it so that you may be notified whenever I upload a new video. So see you in my next one. Bye.